Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to Learner Competitive Exams. Learner Competitive Exams में एक बार फिर आपको खुश आमदीद कहते हैं. Today we will discuss International Current Affair June month 2024. First of all, Claudia Sheinbaum is set to become Mexico's first female president on Sunday, 2nd June 2024. Sheikh Sabah Khaled Al Sabah has been named as new crown prince by Kuwait's ruling emir. Pakistan, Denmark, Greece, Panama, and Somalia have been elected non-permanent UN Security Council members. Narendra Modi has taken oath as Prime Minister of India for his third consecutive term. Carlos Alcaraz won the 2024 French Open men's single title. Rashid Khan becomes fastest bowler to take 150 T20 wickets. Pakistan exported record 7,63,000 metric tons of furnace oil in 11 months. Arslan Ash wins only the best Tekken 8 tournament in Italy. 1.5 years old boy becomes the youngest person to receive a bionic competitive hero arm. World's first 3D printed engine powered rocket successfully launched in India. Gwadar set to achieve international recognition as world-class port city. Pakistan's Hasnain wins Asian Under-21 Snooker Championship. Pakistan's tallest man Zia Rashid passed away. Microsoft founder Bill Gates visits Pakistan for second time. India leads Pakistan in nuclear arms for first time. Saudi Arabia launches world first self-driving flying taxi to transport Hajj pilgrims. Muhammad Rizwan breaks record for slowest 50 in T20 World Cup history. Pakistan wins the second gold medal in Asian Road Cycling Champion. Malawi's Vice President Saulos Chilima and 9 others were killed in a plane crash. Max Verstappen won the third consecutive Canadian Grand Prix. Cyril Ramaphosa is re-elected as President of South Africa. International Peace Conference for Ukraine held in Switzerland on 15th June 2024. Thailand becomes the first South Asian country to recognize same-sex marriage. Justice Alia Neelam nominated as the first Chief Justice of Lahore High Court. Karachi to be recognized as Twin City of New York. Saudi Arabia's King Khaled Airport ranked first in the world for accurate flight schedule. Kishmala Talat, first Pakistani woman to qualify for Olympic shooting, aims for Olympic medal. First time in cricket history, South Africa makes it to the final of World Cup. Pakistan's Atif Butt wins CEO 2024 Tekken 8 tournament in USA. India won T20 World Cup 2024. South Africa's ruling African National Congress Party lost its 3-decade-old absolute majority in 2024 elections. China landed and uncrewed the Chang'e 6 spacecraft on the South Pole Aitken Basin on June 2nd, 2024 to retrieve the world's first rock and soil sample from the dark lunar hemisphere. Saudi Arabia will host a round of the World Rally Championship from 2025 as part of Tangier Agreement. Masatsugu Asakawa, president of Asian Development Banks, belongs to Japan. USA and West Indies are the World Cup T20 2024 being played. The Shangri-La Dialogue 2024 held in Singapore on May 31 to June 2, 2024. William Anders, former US astronaut who took the historic Earthrise photo from space over 55 years ago, died in a plane crash on June 7, 2024 at the age of 90. Theme of World Environmental Day 2024: Land Restoration, Desertification and Drought Resilience. Saudi Arabia is the global host of World Environmental Day 2024. Boeing company has launched its very first astronauts bound for the International Space Station aboard a Strainer capsule on June 5, 2024. According to the World Health Organization, 6.7 million people to die each year due to air pollution. Rohnex Kiproto, who won 10,000 meter bronze in the 2019 World Championship, has been banned for 6 years on June 5, 2024. The 60th session of the subsidiary bodies of UNFCCC will take place from June 3 to 13, 2024 at the World Conference Center, Bonn, Germany. According to the International Air Transport Association, Pakistan and Bangladesh collectively owe $731 million out of a global total of $1.8 billion in blocked airline funds. Iceland ranks top in the Global Gender Gap Index 2024. The 112th session of the International Labour Conference of International Labour Organization held recently in Geneva, Switzerland from June 3 to 14, 2024. Saudi Arabia has decided not to renew its 80-year petrodollar deal with the United States. Slovenia has become the latest Central European country to formally recognize Palestinian statehood. Over 24 countries signed a wishful declaration of peace with the ocean on June 8, 2024 in Costa Rica. 23rd June is observed as United Nations Public Service Day annually. A replica of the spectacles worn by the Qaid-e-Azam is now on display at the Meyerowitz Museum alongside his portrait and photos of the actual eyewear he supported. The museum is located in France. The US Navy's aircraft carrier arrived in South Korea on June 22, 2024 for joint military drills named Theodore Roosevelt. Canada listed Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps as a terrorist entity under the Criminal Code. The Space Variable Objects Monitor satellites blasted off on June 2022 2024 on a hunt for the mightiest explosion in the universe. It belonged to China and France. Trishna is the name of Indo-French mission announced by ISRO to monitor surface temperature and water management. Adam Zampa becomes the first Australian man to reach 100 T20 wickets. Recently, the UN declared year 2024 as the International Year of Comelids to raise awareness of untapped potential of camelids. Prepare for the unexpected is the theme for World Food Safety Day 2024 and is celebrated on June 7. The 50th G7 Summit annual was held in Italy from June 13 to 15, 2024. Virat Kohli is the man of the match in ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2024 final. Lieutenant General Upendra Dwivedi has been appointed the new Chief of the Indian Army and set to take over as the new Chief of Army Staff on June 30, 2024. The final of T20 Cricket World Cup 2024 was played between South Africa and India. India won the ICC T20 World Cup. International Criminal Court on June 24, 2024 issued arrest warrant for Russia's former defense minister and its military chief over strikes on Ukrainian infrastructure that constituted alleged war crimes. NATO's 32 nations on June 26, 2024 appointed outgoing Dutch Prime Minister Mark Rutte as the alliance's next chief. Rutte will take over from Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg on October 1, 2024. Pakistan hosted the 31st Asian Junior Individual Squash Championship for boys and girls. Caliber cruise missile recently seen in the news was developed by Russia. According to V-Dem Institute Democracy Report 2024, 71% of the world's population lives in autocracies. सामीन ये इंटरनेशनल करंट अफेयर थे जून मंथ के। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।